Apple is facing a lot of criticism right now because of its slow progress with artificial intelligence. When the iPhone 16 series launched, Apple promised a smarter and more personalized version of Siri powered by its new AI system, Apple Intelligence. But more than a year later, many of those promised upgrades still haven't arrived. This delay has created frustration among users and tech analysts. Some people even see it as one of Apple's biggest recent mistakes. However, new data from a recent survey suggests that Apple might still have a major opportunity to turn the situation around. The key to that comeback could be chatbots. Over the last few years, AI chatbots have become extremely popular. Tools like Google Gemini, ChatGPT from OpenAI, and Claude from Anthropic have completely changed the way people interact with technology. Instead of tapping through menus or searching manually, users can simply type a question or request and get a direct answer. This simple conversational style has made chatbots incredibly attractive for everyday tasks, learning, and even work. A recent poll among smartphone readers highlights just how common chatbot use has become. More than 800 people participated in the survey, and the results reveal something very interesting. Only about 10% of respondents said they never use chatbots because they do not trust artificial intelligence. Another 9% said they don't use chatbots regularly because they don't find them very useful. But the remaining numbers tell a completely different story. The largest group in the survey, about 47% of respondents, said they use chatbots all the time. For many of these users, interacting with AI has become a daily habit. Another 20% said they use chatbots frequently for their work. These users rely on AI tools to help with writing, research, problem solving, and productivity. Meanwhile, around 14% said they mainly use chatbots for fun, experimenting with ideas, asking random questions, or simply exploring what the technology can do. When you combine all of those numbers, it shows that roughly 80% of people in the survey already have chatbots as part of their everyday lives. This is where Apple's opportunity becomes clear. Right now, the current version of Apple Intelligence doesn't feel revolutionary to many users. Features like text correction, translation improvements, and photo editing tools are helpful, but they are not exactly new ideas. Other companies have offered similar features for years. For example, tools like live translation, image cleanup in photos, and visual recognition are already common in modern smartphones. Because of that, Apple's current AI features may feel more like upgrades rather than completely new experiences. Chatbots, however, still feel fresh and exciting. If Apple transforms Siri into a true chatbot-style assistant, the way people interact with their iPhones could change dramatically. Imagine opening your phone and simply chatting with it, instead of tapping through multiple apps and settings. You could ask your phone to summarize emails, search through your messages, adjust settings, organize your files, or even plan your day. And if Apple integrates this system deeply into iOS, the assistant could interact with nearly everything on the device. There are already signs that Apple is thinking in this direction. Reports suggest the company may be working with Google to integrate AI technology, possibly using Gemini to power more advanced features. If that happens, Siri could evolve into something far more capable than the voice assistant people know today. To understand how powerful this idea could be, look at the rapid rise of experimental AI tools like OpenClaw. This project became extremely popular because it allowed users to control multiple apps through a simple messaging-style interface. People loved the idea of managing tasks and interacting with software just by chatting with it. The concept became so successful that the project's creator was eventually hired by OpenAI. This shows how strongly people respond to conversational interfaces. Now imagine a similar experience built directly into the iPhone, designed with Apple's simple interface and strong privacy controls. If Apple manages to make chatbot interactions as smooth and easy as its other apps, it could completely change how people think about smartphones. And that's why many analysts believe the real breakthrough could arrive with a future device like the iPhone 18. If Apple delivers a powerful chatbot-style Siri that works across the entire system, it might turn today's criticism into tomorrow's biggest selling point. Sometimes in technology, being late is not the biggest problem. The real challenge is delivering something so useful that people forget the wait ever happened.